Am I making an ass of myself again? What did I do? Oh my God, what did I do wrong this time? What did I do wrong this time? So it's working. Zendesk AI tools for the help center, for the knowledge base, for the frequently asked questions. We're going to look at writing tools. We're going to look at translation options. We're going to look at article summaries, and we're going to look at generative search. This article has been inspired by Thomas Verschoren. Now, all of these features that I'm going to show you have been created in separate YouTube videos, but I just wanted to squeeze everything together so you can have them all in a value-packed video. Now, first topic is going to be writing tools. So I'm going to go to my Zendesk, to my 4 squares here, and I'm going to go to knowledge. Then I make sure I'm in the brand that I want. So I have several, and I want to go to add, and I want to go to article. So let's see what writing tools we have here. Now, this is great. It has a bunch of writing features here. I'm just going to focus on the AI one. So look, I have this one, which is expand, simplify, make more friendly, make more formal, and translate. So I've gone over to my friend at ChatGPT and I've created an article about updating personal data. So this is inspired by a real use case. My energy company, the one that brings me my electricity, sent me an email saying that I have to confirm my data, my personal data. For some reason, it just expired and I need to renew it. I don't know what the procedure is. Sounds ridiculous. I didn't change my name. I didn't change my identity. I didn't change my address. I didn't change anything. So anyway, maybe you can let me know in the comments what this is about, because I've been receiving a bunch of these from the bank, from energy company, from whatever, shoe size company, whatever. Look, so how to update your personal data. First off, I'm going to take the title, how to update your personal data securely. I'm just going to go here and paste it in the title. And then I'm just going to go in and copy these bullet points. So I'll just copy these. I'm going here and I'll paste them up. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to select them all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to the AI tool and I'm going to say expand. So this is a tool that I use. It uses OpenAI, so it uses the same thing. So it's going to generate like a full-fledged article that looks a little bit more consistent and a little bit more article-y, I guess. All right, so it's powered by OpenAI, as I said. Replay selection. Look, so now it made it into a nice format that is much more digestible for users. If you personally ask me, users would much rather read that bullet point 1, 2, 3 than they would this one. But you have your own company and you can decide by yourself how you want this to be done. Obviously, when a human writes those bullet points, you just write it in very disorganized fashion. I do like at least the first draft, and that makes sense for you to copy paste and then ask this AI tool to make it pretty for you and make it more formal. Actually, let's make it more formal, because why not? I'll just make it more friendly, because I'm friendly that way. Well, this thing is thinking. You have to have the advanced AI add-on, otherwise this will not work for you. So I'm just going to replace selection. Good. Now it does say here at the top right, this is American English, right? So this is by default in English. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click preview because I want to see how this looks like, and it looks solid. I love it. Now what I'm going to do is on the right hand side here, I'm just going to go and I'm going to directly publish this thing, and of course it doesn't end. What did I do? Oh my God, what did I do wrong this time? What did I do wrong this time? Am I making an ass of myself again? All right, so if I scroll up, I forgot to select where I need to publish this. Sure. So it's in my brand, yes, in my general category, and then done. All right, so this is in this section. It's perfect. Let me just publish this bad boy. I obviously didn't do it right again. So I have to go to manage selection. Okay, so this is my brand, and then I have my category, and then this is the section where I want to publish it. And then, yeah, this is it. Done. Now let me just publish, and there we go. It has been published. Now I want to see it, so let's go to preview. Let's see it. Right, this looks pretty good. So this is in English. Now if I want to translate it, I would like to translate it to German. Let's see. There's nothing there because there is no translation. So second topic is going to be translations. Okay, so I'm here in my CMS where I edit my articles. Now I'm going to go to American English in here, and I'll click plus, and then I'll choose German because I want to translate it to German, and then I add this one here. and I just click translate, and now I let the AI do its thing. I just have to remind you that this is only available in the advanced AI. If you feel like you're being left out, don't worry, there's a bunch of other tools that can do this for you as well. We have some in the works as well, coming soon, but I digress. Look, this is done. So now add translation. Good. It has been added. Save it. Please publish it as well. All right. So now I'm going to preview this bad boy to see if it's done. Look, it's here. It's perfect. I love it. It's in German. Now, next topic is article summary. Article summary is the AI creates like a bundle, like a really short description of the article. If it's really long, that you want to save some time for the end user, for your customer, so you don't have to go through all of the article and just, not find what they need. Rather, you just create a summary. So again, in the article editor, I just go here and I just create some space, and I have this plus here, and I have a few options, which is embed, summary, HTML block, horizontal line. I'm just going to click summary, and I'm just going to click generate. And now this is analyzing the text and it's creating a short paragraph description of what this article is about. And I'm going to click save, and I'm going to click publish because I want to see it live as well. So now look, I click preview, and voila. Look, so this is my article, and this is my summary of how I can update my personal data securely. This is my article, and happy days. The last bit is the generative search. This allows your customers or your end users to easily get a summary when they search something in the search bar of your knowledge base of your help center. So now I'm back in my article, so I need to go to my settings because I need to enable this thing. So I go to search settings. So I have here quick answers, and I click manage. And now look, this is enabled for me. However, I need to perform a bit of a dev task. No worries. Now I need to perform a bit of a dev task, but it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. No worries. So let's just read what it says here. So it says that generative answer helper missing. So your help center theme requires adding the placeholder, this one, generative lowercase answers helper to the search results HBC page to display AI generated answers in each result. So let's just copy this thing here, this placeholder as it's called. So we take it, we copy it, and then we go to the almighty seeing of Eye of Sauron here. And then we go to our theme, which is a Copenhagen theme, and we go to customize, and then we go to edit code, and then we go to search results, HBC, search results, ABC. You see it here? Click it. And all right, so where do I put this thing? Search results, maybe here. I have no idea where to put this thing, so I'm just going to find an empty spot here, and I'm just going to put this here, and then I'm going to click publish. As a non-developer, I can just cross my fingers like this and hope to God it works. And now I go to Help Center to test this out, and let me just click the search here and say update personal data, and search this. Looking for an answer, so it's working. I just needed to paste it anywhere. Look, it actually, to update your personal data, log into your account, do 1, 2, 3, port until 7, show more, and it shows me which article this comes from, and boom, this is an enhanced experience for my customer, right? So I add articles in my knowledge base, and I make it very easy for my customers to just search for something and generate a quick summary for them so I can enhance their experience to answer the questions faster. So there you have it. 4 big fat AI tools for your help center, for your knowledge base, to enhance the customer experience for your customer. Now, I've shown you translations, generative search, article summary, and the writing tool. I'm just going to say it again. In the sub-discipline of customer experience, which is customer service, customer support, it's important to encourage self-service. So if somebody has an inquiry, wants to solve something by themselves, for example, they want to search how to turn on their product, they want to search for an invoice, they want to search for how to update their data, they usually search by themselves, and if that's not easy to do, then they kind of get a little bit frustrated and they reach out to you. How do I do this anyway? So it's good to encourage self-service because 1, you alleviate the stress of someone very fast, very quick, and 2, it's very cost effective for you because, you don't need to hire people to answer these questions. You actually encourage customers to help themselves, which they prefer to do anyway. So, win-win. By the way, my name is Dominic. I'm a customer experience guy. I've been doing it for 15 plus years. 12 years as Zendesk consultant with Zendesk partners. We do Zendesk and we do artificial intelligence, and this is our livelihood. And I will see you in the next one. If you need help, there's a link in the description, there's an email, and bye. I was hoping this would be the day that I don't sweat balls because it's the middle of summer, but guess what? This lighting is heating up the room and I'm still getting burnt in here.